Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working on iOS 17. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and facing this type of issue that CarPlay not working, so guys, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys after this simply you need to go back. And guys secondly you need to open your settings and click on general. And guys after this you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset all settings only. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after this simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys you need to click on software update, and guys after this you need to update your iPhone to latest version iOS 17.2 or beta or greater than this version. So guys after doing installing this version, your problems will be fixed that you are facing on iOS 17. So guys many features are not working in iOS 17 properly. So guys then you need to install this one, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to contact with Apple support. As you can see here, simply you need to click on this Apple support, and guys after this you need to wait for its opening. And guys you need to click on my here is the option, you need to click on your gadget. And guys here you need to click on more, and guys here you need to find CarPlay. So guys as you can see here, simply you need to click on this one tab, and guys after this you need to wait for next page. So guys you need to click on this call tab, and guys you need to call at these two numbers, and guys tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.